What's up, guys? Today we have an F-Max 312, 32 foot long. Yeah, you heard that right. It's only 32 feet, a little bit shorter than what you normally see from us when we're talking about an F-Max. Being a 312 that short, one could only assume, or one could only guess, what they're using it for. What do you think? If you thought hauling heavy equipment, you got it right. This one is, again, 32 foot. It's got the 12-foot hydraulic dovetail, which means it is 20 foot of deck with 12-foot hydraulic dove. Great for hauling maybe one dozer, two skid steers, maybe an excavator, stuff like that, to and from the job site. Heavy equipment. What makes it, outside of the length, what makes it so great for hauling equipment, and why I would think it's spec'd that way for hauling equipment, is the 312. It's got three 12K axles, which on that trailer, on this trailer, you can see how far forward that front axle is, which means it can handle a lot of weight distribution. On a normal tandem axle, say you take the front axle off, leave these two here, you put a skid steer here, it's going to put a whole lot of weight on that tow vehicle. So when you have that third axle, weight distribution is golden. It actually assumes so much more of the work, not killing your tow vehicle, especially when this is something you're doing day in and day out. These things are investment. The vehicle, the trailer, they're investments, and you want to make sure you make the right investment to where you're not tearing your equipment up, tearing your vehicles up. That's why a 312 in this combination for hauling equipment is such a great option, great style. Also, they went ahead and upgraded from what is standard, the 14-ply 16-inch tires, to a 16-ply 17 5-wheel tire combination. Again, when you're on construction sites like this one, no telling what's out there. These are way more puncture resistant, and they're also going to last a lot longer. This one has added D-rings, slide track with ratchets, the deck on the neck, the winch for pulling up downed equipment. These are all things that really help and really aid in being the perfect equipment hauling trailer.